Hi everyone. Today topic name is problems on trains. This is the continuation part of time and distance. The questions are like this. How long does a train 110 meters long running at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour takes to cross the bridge 132 meters in length? What is exactly given question? There is a train 110 meters running with the speed of 72 kilometers per hour cross the bridge 132 meters length. So that means this entire 110 meters long train to cross the entire 132 meters bridge, total distance has to travel, that is 110 plus 132, 242 meters has to travel to cross a bridge which is of length 132 meters. But here the speed is given 72 kilometers per hour, so that is I'm going to convert into meters per second. The reason is asking to find out the time. The time in given options are in seconds, so you must convert the speed in meters per seconds. That is 5 by 18 you have to multiply, so that is 4 times, so 4 into 5, 20 meters per second. Right now speed is available, distance has to travel is available, it is enough to find out the time. Now time equal to distance by speed, 242 divided by 20 seconds, that is so 12.2, 0 will take 12.1 seconds. Okay, so that is the solution. Now coming to the question number 2, this is simple question. I hope you can do that question in your own. The question is, the train 132 meters long passing a telephone pole in 6 seconds. Find the speed of the train. So the distance has to travel is only 132 meters. The time is given in seconds, that is 6 seconds. Now speed equal to distance by time. But given speed is in options kilometers per hour, so we need to convert the speed in kilometers per hour by multiply with 18 by 5. So that question you can do in a own, so I'm leaving up to you. Now coming to the question number 3. A train passes a station platform in 36 seconds, a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 54 kilometers per hour, what is the length of the platform? So what is the length of the platform? So this is simple question. The question is, a train, the length of the train is not given, passes the station, the platform length is also not given. He is asking to find out the platform length. This entire train passes the entire platform in 36 seconds. The time given is 36 seconds. Okay, there is a person on the platform, so I am going to take that person is here. So very starting of the platform, for convenience I am just taking, so that means he is just adjacent to the front part of the engine. Okay, this entire train passes this person, that means what is the distance travel in this case? The length of the train only, that I am taking as some x meters. So this entire train passes through this person in, that is 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds. The speed of the train is given that 54 kilometers per hour. Okay, na? Speed of the train is 54 kilometers per hour. What is the length of the platform? Just I'm taking length of the platform is some y meters. Okay, so this is the way. Now speed is available. It is enough to find out length of the platform. Try to understand. I just want to convert the given speed in meters per second, that is 54 into 5 by 18. Okay, 54 5 by 18. So now 18 will cancel 3 times. 15 meters per second is the speed of the train. Now speed of the train is available. Try to understand. First I'm going to find out length of the train. See here, this entire train passes through this person in 20 seconds. From these two information, speed and the time, I'm going to find out the length of the train. So we know that distance equal to time into speed. Here I'm taking t2 is the time. See, where distance is simple, that length of the train. Now that x equal to t2, that is 20. Speed of the train is 15. Now length of the train is 300 meters. So now in the second case, try to understand. This entire train passes the entire station in 36 seconds. Here the distance I'm taking, d1, and the another distance I'm taking d2. So here the distance has to travel is x plus y. Distance equal to time, that is t1 time. So the time is taken, that is 36 seconds. So 36 seconds. And speed anyway, that is 15. Now here d2 is the total length of the train plus total length of the platform, that is x plus y. And the time is 36 seconds we have to take. Why? Because it's given the train passes the station platform in 36 seconds. So 36 seconds, and the speed is given that 15 meters per second. Now from this information, x value is available, that is 300, and 36 into 15, that is 360 plus 180. 360 plus 180, that is 540. Okay, 540. Now after simplifying, y equal to 540 minus 300, 240. Now 240 meters is the length of the platform. Okay, so this is the solution for the question number 3. So the next one is question number 4. This is also an easy question. I hope you can do this question in your own. The question is like this: length of the train and the platform are equal. With a speed of 90 kilometers per hour, the train crosses the platform in 1 minute. What is given? Length of the train and the length of the platform, both are equal, that means x meters. So speed is given 90 kilometers per hour, the time is given 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. From this information is asking to find out the length of the train. So if the distance is, we to consider length of the train plus length of the station, that is 2x. So distance equal to speed into train, so speed into time. So from that formula you can find out what is the length of the train. So that is so easy. I hope you can do that problem in a one. Now coming to the question number 5. A train takes 18 seconds to pass the completely through a station 162 meters long and 15 seconds through another station 120 meters long. The length of the train is what? So what is the given question? This is the length of the train, that is x meters I'm going to take. This entire train passes through this station, that is 162 meters long in 18 seconds. Same train passes through another station. But suppose I just take that another station very here only. Okay, this length is 120 meters only. This entire train passes through this station in 20 seconds only. Okay, this is 162 meters, 18 seconds, 120 meters, 20 seconds, 15 seconds. Okay, 15 seconds only. From these two information is asking to find out length of the train. See here, so while passing through this station and this station, speed of the time is same. For convenience, I just take speed of the train where passing through this station is s1, and the speed of the train which is passing through this station is s2 I'm going to take, but both are same, we know that. So in order to simplify that given question, I'm just taking a simple method, that is speed of the train in both cases s1 and s2, those two are same. Now we know the formula, speed of the train, speed equal to distance by time. So see here, in first case this entire train passes through this entire platform, so the distance has to travel is x plus 162 meters. Okay, now distance by time. So first case time is 18 seconds. And the second case, this entire train passes through 120 meters platform, so the distance has to travel is x plus 120 meters. In that case the time is 15 seconds. Now we got an equation, so the only one variable you have to find out, that is x value. So that is what we are going to find out. After simplifying this equation, we get x value is 90. Please try to simplify this equation. Your answer is 90 meters. Do you know? So now next interesting question, that is question number 6. Okay, a jogger running at 9 kilometers per hour alongside a railway track is 149 meters ahead of the engine of 120 meters long train running at 45 kilometers per hour in the same direction. In how much time will the train passes the jogger? So what is exactly given question? This is the train. The length of the train is given that 120 meters. A jogger running 9 kilometers per hour. There is a person here. He is jogging in this direction alongside railway track 149 meters ahead of the engine. This is the engine. Now the distance between that jogger and that engine is 249 meters. Okay, now this train is the jogger is running with the speed of S1. I'm taking 9 kilometers per hour. Okay, this train is running with the speed of S2 kilometers. S2 90 is 45 kilometers per hour. S2 equal to 45 kilometers per hour. And one more information given: both the train and that person running in the same direction, so that means both are moving in the same direction with the different speeds, that is 45 and 9. Now in this question, what exactly the question is asking: in how much time will the train passes the jogger? What is the time required this entire train passes the jogger? See, if both are moving, we do consider the relative speed. Relative speed, if both are moving in same direction, we apply 45, that means S2 minus S1. Why? Because S2 speed is more than S1, we consider S2 minus S1. Now that is 36 kilometers per hour. So 36 kilometers per hour I do convert into meters per second. So 36 into 5 by 18. Okay, now 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second is the speed of that is relative speed, not exactly the speed of the train, relative speed. So 10 meters per second is the relative speed. The distance has to travel, that is 120 meters plus 249 meters. This entire train should cross that person with the. So what is the distance has to travel by train? What is the distance has to reduce, not the travel, what is the distance has to reduce, that is 120 and 249. So in the case of relative speed, we take the distance has to reduce between that person and the train is 120 and 249. So that is 369 meters has to reduce. The distance is available, relative speed is available. Now I'm going to find out time equal to distance by relative speed. Now distance is 369 divided by relative speed is 10 seconds, 10 meters per second. Now this is 36 9 by 10. So here, so 36 9 by 10 or 36 point something, nothing is there. Options are 3.6, 18 seconds, 36 and 72. So we go with 36 seconds. Next question number 7. A train 110 meters long is running at a speed of, this is speed of 60 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is running at 6 kilometers per hour? Is the direction opposite to that in which the train is going. That means both are moving in opposite direction. So this is what given question. The length of the train is 110 meters. There is a person just adjacent to engine. Just assume like this. He is moving in the opposite direction. Okay. The train speed is 60 kilometers per hour. That person who is moving in opposite direction, that person's speed is 6 kilometers per hour. Okay, so what is the length, what is the distance has to cover is simply the length of the train. So that distance is anyway 110 meters, but both are in opposite direction, are moving in opposite direction. We do consider the relative speed. Now the relative speed is S1 plus S2, that is 66 kilometers per hour. It's better to convert into meters per second. Okay, now 66 into 5 by 18, 11, and this is 3 times. So relative speed is 11 into 5 by 3 meters per second. Now relative speed is available, distance is available, is asking to find out the time. So time equal to distance by relative speed. So here 110 meters is the distance has to reduce. So that is 110 divided by 6 seconds. 3 into 2, 6 seconds. So this is so easy. Next, question number 8. Two trains of equal length. This is you can do in a own. Two trains of equal length are running on parallel lines in the same direction at 46 kilometers per hour and 36 kilometers per hour. The faster train passes the slower train in 36 seconds, like this. So two trains are moving in this direction. Okay, so take like this. So different speeds, 46 kilometers per hour, 36 kilometers per hour, both are moving in the same direction, means relative speed is the subtraction between those two. That means 46 minus 36, 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, I hope you can do that problem in a one. Now coming to the question number 9. Two trains running in opposite direction crosses a man standing on the platform 27 seconds and 17 seconds respectively, and they cross each other in 23 seconds. The ratio of their speeds is what? This is simple question. Try to understand what exactly the given question. These are the two trains. The length of both the trains are different. That is not given in the question. There is a person. So there is a person is standing here. This first train passes through this. Two trains running in opposite. The first train cross a man in 27 seconds. Second train cross this man in 17 seconds. But suppose there is no person. This entire train cross this entire train in 23 seconds. This is the given information. Now what exactly is asking to find out? Simply speed. Suppose speed of the first train is S1, speed of the second train is S2. Now is asking to find out S1 ratio between S1 and S2. Now S1 divided by S2, I am going to give one formula, simple formula, that is capital T minus T2 divided by T1. Take modulus. Okay, so this is the simple formula, will help you to find out the ratio between speeds of the both trains. Now that is 23 minus 17 divided by 23 minus 27 modulus. Okay, 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. So ratio is 3:2. Now the next question number 10. Right. A train X starts from the Meerut at 4 p.m. and reaches the Ghaziabad at 5 p.m. while another train Y starts from the Ghaziabad at 4 p.m. and reaches the Meerut at 5:30 p.m. The two trains will cross each other at what time? Try to understand. So here there are two stations, one is Meerut, one is Ghaziabad. One train started at 4 p.m. from Meerut and reaches that Ghaziabad at the time 1 hour. That means 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. 1 hour is the time. So that is the time taken for the train X. There is another train Y, starts from the Ghaziabad at 4 p.m. only and reaches the Meerut at 5:30. So the time taken to cover the entire same distance is 1.5 hours. That is 3/2 hours. So from these two is asking to find out at what time two trains will cross each other. For suppose both started here and here, they cross each other at particular this point. So what time after 4 p.m. what is the time is taken to cross each other? That time I am taking as t. So this t is after 4 p.m. So that after 4 p.m. what is the time it taking to cross each other? Simply that formula I apply that t1 t2 divided by t1 plus t2. A simple method to find out the time after 4 p.m. it takes to cross each other. So that is 1 into t2 is 2 by 3/2, 1 plus 3/2. Now this is 3/2 and 5/2. Finally we get 3/5. So 3/5 hours I just want to convert into minutes. 3 multiply with 12, 5 multiply with 12. So 36 divided by 60 and 36 minutes. Now the time is 4:36 p.m. Okay. Now coming to the question number 11. This is the simple question. Two trains, one from A to B, another from B to A, start simultaneously. After they meet, the train reach their destination after 9 hours and 16 hours respectively. The ratio of their speeds is what? A simple question. One train started from A moving towards B. Another train started at B moving towards A. Both are crossed at particular point. Just assume this is the crossing point, meeting place. So the first train reaches this destination in 9 hours. That is T1. 9 hours it takes to reach the destination. The second train, after crossing, this second train reaches the destination in 16 hours. From these two information is asking to find out the first train speed ratio between first train speed and second train speed. Now that is S1 divided S1 by S2 equal to simply under root T2 divided by T1. That is so easy to find out the ratio between S1 and S2. That is ratio, under root T2 divided by T1. That is under root 16 by 9. That is 4 by 3. So 4:3 is the ratio. So 12th question is also same. Say in place of A and B as given Howrah and Patna. The remaining all are same. That is 9 hours and 16 hours is same. If you want, try to read the same. This question. Solution also. Finally, we get 4:3. So no need to explain the 12th question. I hope you can do the 12th question in a one. Now 13th question. This is also you can do in a one. A train 75 meters long overtook a man who was walking at a rate of 6 kilometers per hour and passes him in 18 seconds. Again, the train overtook a second person in 15 seconds. at what rate was the second person traveling? Okay, so that is the question. Just you try in your own to find out this answer. Okay, so anyway, this question is based on the previous models. I hope you can do that question in your own. Okay, now 14th question I'm explaining here. An express train traveled an average speed of 100 kilometers per hour, stopping for 3 minutes after every 75 kilometers. How long did it take to reach its destination 600 kilometers from the station starting point? Now try to understand. The distance between starting point and destination is 600 kilometers. Now the train moving with the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. So without taking any breaks, actual time taken to cover the entire 600 kilometers is 6 hours only. It is enough to find out how many breaks are taking in 600 kilometers. So most of the people doing the one mistake here. So 600 divided by 75 we get 8. So 8 breaks. So 8 into 3 24. So that means extra 24 minutes are going to take to reach the destination. But this is wrong. Why? Because so after reaching 600, so we do no need to consider that break time. So that 75 perfectly, 600 is perfectly divided by 75. So that is the reason. So after reaching 600 kilometer, we are counting another 3 minutes. So that 3 minutes is doesn't no need to consider. So simply there are 7 breaks between 0 to 600. So no need to consider the last break that is taken at 600 kilometer. So only 7 breaks. 7 into 3 21 minutes. So 6 hours 21 minutes. So we have to concentrate more here. It's an important model. Okay, so that is the solution. So that's it. Bye.